In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Pay app. We'll do this right on your PC by turning the official Google Pay website into an app-like experience using your browser's built-in install feature. This gives you a clean window and a convenient shortcut, so it feels just like a desktop app without hunting through tabs. Start by opening a web browser on your PC. A modern browser works best here, and you'll want a reliable internet connection so the install completes smoothly. Make sure your browser is up to date, since the install option we'll use is part of newer browser features. Next, go to the official Google Pay website. Take a quick moment to confirm you've reached the legitimate site before moving on. You should see the familiar Google Pay branding and the home page loading normally. Now, look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. This is your browser's main menu, and it holds a lot of useful tools. Click it to open the drop-down. Within that menu, move your mouse to hover over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Don't click yet. Just hover. This expands a small panel of related options. You're looking for a choice that reads, Install as App. This option tells the browser to install the current site as a standalone app on your computer, often called a progressive web app. Go ahead and click Install as App. In many cases, you'll see a small pop-up confirming what's being installed. It may display the Google Pay name and icon, so you know you're getting the right thing. This is normal and helps you verify before you proceed. When the confirmation box appears, click Install to confirm. Your browser will take it from here. Behind the scenes, it's packaging the site into an app-like window and preparing a shortcut so you can open it quickly later. This doesn't require any extra downloads beyond what the browser handles, and no personal details are needed at this stage. Now wait for the installation to finish. It usually takes just a few moments. You might see a brief progress indicator, or the new app window may open automatically when it's ready. That's your sign that everything went well. From this point on, Google Pay will behave like a dedicated app window rather than a browser tab, making it faster to access and less cluttered. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Google Pay website as an app on your PC using your browser's install feature, giving you a streamlined, desktop-like experience.